When you encounter a could not complete your request because of program error message in Adobe Photoshop, it's usually caused by one or more corrupted Photoshop preference file or incompatible system hardware. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Assalamu alaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to fix could not complete your request because of program error Photoshop Windows 11. Go to edit settings. So here you can go to preference. And in the right side, it shows some additional options. So here you can go to general settings. And one new settings, Windows is opening. So here you can select performance settings. If this use graphics processor option is enabled, so just click to untick it. And this option is the main reason for the kind of error message. So anyway, once you disable it and then click to save the changes. And one more, I try open that new project because try to check it. Now this time this is the default size, new Windows is successfully opening and it doesn't show any other error notifications. By watching my tutorial for the tech videos, you can subscribe. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us.